Today we're gathered here on Living Tomorrow with our partners on the Innovation Campus. The idea is to guide them and inform them about the energy transition, which is ongoing at this point in time. The beautiful thing about this place is that the whole building is done with ABB equipment, from the electrical distribution boards up to the KNX devices used for the home and building automation. The idea is to also give the opportunity for our customers to network and to connect to each other. And this is the role that we as ABB have to play, not only be a technical supplier for them, but also a supplier who can guide them and support them and connect them to other companies.